Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll see how to make fruit pops using popsicle sticks. I have made 6 different ice recipes: watermelon, mango, strawberry, orange, grapes and mixed berries. These popsicle ice will help beat the summer heat and I really hope to get to try it out. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make fruit pops. I'm using these molds to make popsicle sticks. You can also use a disposable drinking cup. I'm going to use these fruits. You can use any fruit for this recipe. If you don't get fresh fruits, you can also go for frozen ones. You can make this without sugar. For kids, add little sugar, they'll enjoy it. Into your blender, add in watermelon chunks, add a tablespoon of sugar and then puree until really fine. Since we are using fresh fruits, it retains all the nutrients and minerals of the fruits and do not contain any preservatives or artificial colors or flavors. Let's pour into the molds and keep aside. Next goes strawberries. Add this into the blender, add a tablespoon of sugar, puree it and add it to the molds. This is for orange popsicle. Squeeze out the juice using a squeezer. Add a tablespoon of sugar, mix and add it to the molds. Our next popsicle is mango. Cut mangoes into dice and add it to the blender. Add a tablespoon of sugar and make a fine puree. Now let's fill the molds with this mango puree. Next goes grapes into the blender. Add a tablespoon of sugar and blend it. You won't get a fine puree. You will get some chunks while eating. It is okay, you will enjoy it. Now let's add this into the molds. Let's make mixed berry popsicle. I'm using the frozen ones. Add a tablespoon of sugar and make a fine puree. Add the puree to the molds. Our popsicles are done. Now let's cover them with a lid. The great thing about popsicle is that they only take around 4 to 5 hours to freeze. Cover the disposable drinking cups with tin foil sheets. Using a knife, put a slit in the center to put the popsicle sticks. Now they are ready for the freezer. Freeze them for 4 to 5 hours or leave it overnight. After you take it out from the freezer, just leave it on the counter for a minute or two, or keep the mold in the water for 2 minutes and it will be easy for you to remove it. Beat the heat with this simple fruit pops, which is very delicious and easy to make at home, the perfect recipe for the summer. Do give this recipe a try and share this with your family and friends and enjoy this summer treat. I hope you all find this recipe useful. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.